Yes. So as you see, now yeah, the man then don't they? The target for send another voice note to you for confirm the delivery of the video. So this now first they don't reach. They don't start the roofing yesterday. At this they don't do. As you can see the structure now from the front. You see the roof. It's 9 the power 90 map here so. This video now yesterday for on ground because I started them complete time, but they complete late. This front side. Yes, as you see, so that you go able to see I'm clearly the delay a bit. So let you see the top. It's not the front. You see, with the move now, this is now the space between the two schools there, two structures there. You see, as you can see now, this is now the side. This is now the side. Of course, this other side at the front. And you let you see up normal now. At the front and at the side. They go be now. The side in top. So now yeah. Then tap first. For the moment, the target for send voice notes to you as to why you don't tap so first. So this now at the back of the structure. At the back of the structure. So this back now they all left small the roof in. See, for let them cross the other boat there. And they don't left no more now. For let them complete. I believe say as they done this so they need to waste time. You know, by courtesy of the pressure owner the mount on them. So as you see, that's how side they cross side they see so now the front side. Who can at the back side you see really say they're not even complete for cross them all there from up to the beam. They're not even done for cow them before ever they cross the other one the back. So at least they don't do first.